G'day again, another cook up again on the CAMPQUBE out here in beautiful New South Wales lockdown Sydneyville, Greater Western Sydney, in the Blacktown local government area. Right, we're doing tonight Silverside in ginger beer with a whole grain mustard sauce. I've got a little thing to say, but the whole grain mustard sauce might not be on the video because I've got to get Pete to do that because I ain't any good at doing sauces, and she is. So anyway, you got to put 2 litres of ginger beer. Slowly, well, you don't do it slowly, you do it fast. You can do this in cans or whatever, but I thought I'd use the good old Bundaberg, it would probably taste a bit better. So instead of using water, you're using the ginger beer. Maybe Bundaberg might get on and sponsor me.
Oh.
I'll have a ginger beer, thanks Bundaberg. Only joking. I do like the ginger beer, but Bundaberg makes the best ginger beer. And their Bundaberg coconut and pineapple, I think it's called, goes really well with Captain Morgan's. Try that one. Anyway, you get that. You need about a 1 to 2 kilo Silverside, and that'll do
maybe
well and truly 4 people. In our case, probably 10 people. And yeah, I'll just throw this to the garbo. Now, put the lid back on. Put it on the fire. Cook it on a high heat, which that's going to be, for about an hour and a half. But I'll lift it up off high heat later as we go along. But just get it going, and that's it for now. Thanks.
So we've got 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter. Make it like that. Then we get 1.5 cups of milk. So add that in. 1.5 cups of milk. And we mix it. And we get 1 teaspoon of hot mustard, hot English mustard. And then we get 2 teaspoons, or maybe whatever to taste, and you stir. Getting thicker. I think there needs to be a bit more milk in it. Okay. Then we stir it. And we put a teaspoon, a big heap teaspoon of honey. Of just normal honey. I think I might need a little bit more milk to make it thinner. Yeah, that looks good. There you go. We have honey mustard sauce for corned beef.
Here we go. End result, you should get, once it cools a bit, you get like a treacle golden syrup look from the ginger beer. And now I'll go and plate it up. Now I've got my lovely wife Pete cutting up our dinner. Really nice finish there. We've got mixed vegetables and potato, mashed potato, and there, if I didn't stand in the way, we've got the sauce which Pete will serve up soon. What do you reckon, Pete?
What?
I said, what do you reckon?
That's good. Excuse my fingers. There we go.
Well, it's only us eating it.
Aussie style.
Aussie style.
Yep. Fingers and all.
Typical us, we're always eating in the dark.
Sauce. What's this? Honey mustard.
Honey mustard. You think it was in the snow with Pete here?
Yeah, well, it is.
Snow
It's not
jacket
fucking-
on.
It's not summer, is it?
Well, it's not cold.
Well, it's not summer. It's not cold,
Anyway.
but it's not summer.
So she's not cold, but she'll wear a snow jacket near enough.
It's not summer yet. Okay, done.
Done?
Done.
Look at that. Yum-oh. Thank you, my lovely wife Pete.